Hello again. I thought I would just take another video because this is just too beautiful, so I can't help myself. This is the little avenue, the avenue that goes to the Mandria. Buonasera.
Ma non parliamo più.
And that's the castle down there. The couple of married guys were just down there. And now I am continuing along this avenue. Very beautiful. And it's actually quite nice the way that they have landscaped this. And there's lots of people walking and going with the bicycle and enjoying the sort of spring weather. It's quite warm and pleasant. I thought the gates were closing at 6 o'clock, but there's plenty of people around, so my feeling is that they probably will not close at 6 o'clock, or certainly not 6 o'clock on the dot, given that it's nearly 6. And yeah, I only wanted to show you this, so I'm not gonna say much more. There you go, that's the avenue. Thanks for watching. The guy running.